guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Well, today's look is Desi bad girl look. So the concept behind this look is I wanted to give that Indian version to this bad girl look. So that's why I added a little Desi touch to this look by adding a bindi and then also pairing up with choker. I hope you guys will like this look, and also the highlight of this look is the bold lips. That's why I've kept my eyes really simple but also very glamorous. And the jewelry which I'm wearing, it's from the Ornate Jewels. Make sure you check out their page, and if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started and let's see how I created this look. So I am using a Urban Decay Naked palette, and I am taking a very light brownie shade and I'm using it as a transition shade and the only shade on my eyes. So using a big blending brush, and I would be just blending it all over my eyelids. Now I would be doing my eyebrows, and for that I'm using NYX eyebrow pencil in shade Espresso, and then I would be filling my eyebrows using the pencil, and I'm making sure that I'm not going over my eyebrow line. I'm just filling the eyebrow within the shape. Now to give a nice edges and a nice shape, I'm using a concealer and using a small concealer brush. I would be just shaping my eyebrows and making sure that my eyebrow shape is sharp. Doing same thing on the other eyebrow as well, making sure that my eyebrow edges and the shape is perfect. Using another brush, I would be blending that particular concealer which I just applied on my eyebrow so that everything looks neat and clean. Now let's start with our eyes. So I'm using MAC Prep Plus Prime, and I would be using that mist on a small eyeliner brush, and using a black eyeshadow I would be creating a wing eyeliner, not a very dramatic one but just a little one. You can also use a substitute as an eyeliner, black eyeliner, but I'm using a black eyeshadow to give a more smoky effect to my eyes. I've also used sellotape to make a nice wing eyeliner. You can also use this trick to make a perfect wing eyeliner on both of your eyes. Now doing the same thing on my other eye, and I am using the eyeliner brush to create a wing eyeliner. Next part is curling the eyelashes. I'm using a Real Techniques eyelash curler. And for the mascara, I am using Total Temptation mascara from the Maybelline. It's totally my favorite mascara, and I would be applying it on both of my lashes. Lashes, I'm using Kiara lashes from Rush Me Lashes. Now let's start with the skincare, and I'm using facial pads from ELEMIS, which works so beautifully, and you can also use this facial patch just to refresh your skin, and I'm using it here just to take out all the fallouts of eyeshadow from my face. And for the serum, I'm taking an Innisfree green tea serum, which works beautifully on all skin types. For the primer, I'm taking a photo finish primer from SMASHBOX, which will give you exactly a photo finish. For the foundation, I'm taking my all-time favorite Maybelline Super Stay Matte Foundation, which works beautiful on people who have oily skin. And I'm using a foundation brush to apply it and blend it on my face, and just making sure that I cover each and every part of my face, even under the nose, under my eyes, on my head, just making sure everything blends out beautifully. And this particular brush works so beautiful on my face. Now I'm also using a beauty blender which is from Real Techniques, and I'm blending that foundation so that there are no harsh lines, there are no cracks on my face, and just giving a very nice photo finish to my face. Now for the concealer, I'm taking a CoverGirl concealer, and I would be applying it under my eyes, on my nose, and I would be highlighting my face wherever I want to highlight. So I'm applying this concealer on my face. Now using the same beauty blender from Real Techniques, I would be blending it. One thing I would like to tell you guys is that this is a damp beauty blender. So I'm just making sure that everything blends out perfectly and there are no cracks and no harsh lines. For setting everything, I'm using Milani Banana Powder, which is such a beautiful face powder. I mean a loose powder. It works so beautiful. So I will leave it on for like 5 to 10 minutes so that it can bake my eyes. Now for the contour, I'm using a Fenty Beauty contour stick, and I would be contouring my face, and using a contour brush I would be contouring my face. This is a cream contour. If you guys want, you can just skip this part and just do a bronzer, but I really like to contour my face. Now using a big powder brush, I would be removing all the loose powder from my face. For the blush, I'm using a blush tint from Benefit Cosmetics, and it is such a beautiful tint. You can also apply it on your lips as well, and using a blush brush I would be blending it. Also using it on my chin, I really like to blush my chin and highlight it. So for the highlighter, I'm using a True Blend highlighter from CoverGirl, and it works so beautifully. And using a highlighter brush, I would be applying it. Do you see that glow? It works so beautiful. I mean, just wow. Also applying it on my nose. For the lower lash line, I am using a same brown shade which I used earlier, and I would be applying it on the lower lash line. I also love to highlight my eyebrow bone, so using the highlighter I would be highlighting it, and I will also be highlighting my inner corners. I really like that glowy highlighted effect on my face. Now for the lipstick, I am taking Maybelline Super Stay lipstick, and I really love this color on me. Like, can you just see that instant change on my face? It looks so beautiful on my face. And yeah, this is one of my favorite lipstick. All the shades and everything is mentioned on the description box, so make sure you check it out. And to set my makeup, I'm using MAC Prep Plus Prime, and I'm just leaving it on for like 5-10 minutes so that it can set. And yeah, this is one look which you can leave it like that. So I just added a choker and just sleek ponytail, and I think it looks pretty well. And if you guys would not like to add anything else, you can just leave the look like that. It looks pretty clean and really nice, but I just wanted to give that Desi bad girl effect to this look, so that's why I opened my hairs and I added a bindi. And also this choker is from Own It Jewels, so you make sure you check out their page. And I really love this look. I hope you guys also did. And if you guys love this look, make sure to comment down below and like this video and share this video with your friends, and see how this look turned out. And I think it just not took more than 10 minutes to create this look, and I think even less than that, but I really like the look on me. And if you guys also did, make sure to like this video. Also make sure that you guys follow me on Instagram. All the social media handles are linked down below. Make sure you check them out. I'll see you guys soon with a super brand new video. Now I'm just signing off from this video. Take care till then. Bye bye.